Checking out the new Amity Island Jaws anniversary displays. Very cool to bring that back. But don't climb it. Of course, it's the 4th of July celebration. Got the Coke truck out here. We got a no swimming hazardous area in front of the San Francisco sign. We got some Captain Quint's Boardwalk snacks. So the list of some of the snacks. All right, what do we have over here? Of course, the newly renovated Chez Alcatraz. Here, what I was looking for. This is the photo spot. You've got Bruce over here, but of course, we've got this new photo spot paying homage to the original ride. Check that out. This is so cool. There you go, guys. Get to be captain of your own boat over here in Amity Island. And I believe there's more inside the store. Let's enter from the front and get the whole view. More props. We've got more of the 4th of July motif going on inside in here, the candy factory. Oh, there you go. Got some new merch. We've got the Orca. We've got new signs. We've got new merch and clothing. We've got your classic goodies. Plenty of Jaws plushies. Get your Bruce right there. Pretty cool. Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. Got some tank tops. There's hats. There's skipper hats. T-shirts. More tank tops. Alright, and we've got some toys. Very awesome. Got some fleece blankets. Yeah, this is very cool for the 50th Jaws anniversary. Over here, come check it out in San Francisco and Universal. Got Quint's outfit over here. Got the Amity Police. Genuine piece of the Orca, the sinkable prop used in filming of the Jaws. Old school Amity Boat Tours shirt. Got some of the new cups. Pins, lanyards, keychains, all the good stuff. Got some trucker hats, mesh backs, keep it cool. Wallets. What do we have here? Oh, we got a little clutch, little bottle clutch. Vintage Amity shirt. And then, you know, all the regular goodies that they have in this store. But this is some really cool Jaws merch. Oh, we got coffee mugs. It just keeps going. New shirt. And, oh man, look at the little people. Yeah, definitely come check. Could have been a part of the Skipper of the Month. Got more up here. we got the narragansett. Very cool. There's more posters. It just keeps going every time I think we're done. Chalkboard here. Love the little details. Then when you're done, come get you a shark attack from Murph or one of the other great bartenders out here at Chez Alcatraz. There's some great pennies, collectible pennies. Some machine out here over by Chez Alcatraz and Bruce. He's still here, of course. All right, so I was told that there was more Jaws stuff inside the Universal store in City Walk. So let's see what we got. Also, I need a good microphone. If anyone has anything for a GoPro and iPhone, let me know. There it is. I've heard this is a little stand and also has lots of little Easter eggs. So we got Bruce, of course got the crab. Let's see what else we can find. Oh man, can of Narragansett. Honor the man, crush the can. Got the Jaws 50th sign. Oh man, another can of Narragansett there. Seems like a lot of the same merch from the other store, but the display is a little original and cool. Oh, there we go. We got the mask. Yeah, so the details are really cool in this one. So yeah, check out the Universal store in City Walk for a couple more Jaws goodies.